Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. As promised, this one is going to be about Tor, why it works, the way it does, and why you should or should not use this tool to stay secure. The Onion Router, or Tor, is a network of several computers. To make explaining this a bit more interesting and fun, think of each system as undercover spies spread out across the world. In order to get your message to an important diplomat, it is necessary to pass the message through this chain of spies. Obviously, it is very important to keep as much of this information a secret from the spies as possible, so you decide to encrypt the entire message and send it off. Each spy decrypts their own part of the message and then passes it along to the spy that knows how to decrypt the second part. This continues until the message reaches that important diplomat, essentially making it so that the only spy that can know the whole message is the one at the very end of the line. So as long as that spy is not a traitor, the message is almost entirely safe, given a spy earlier in the line can't guess what the message is. To put that in more technical terms, your computer is wanting to send a bit of data to a remote location, and in order to safely transmit that data, your computer encrypts it. You send your data to a computer somewhere in the world, and that computer decrypts only the first part of the message. This decryption process bounces around the world from computer to computer until the final computer, known as the exit node, sends the whole decrypted message to the remote location you wanted. This is why the service is called an onion router, because each computer along the line pulls back another layer of the metaphorical onion containing your data. There is a fairly significant issue with this system, however, and it's fairly likely you've even already guessed it. That last computer, the exit node, has the entire message, and it's not protected at all. So if that last computer is owned by someone who wants your data, there is nothing stopping them from taking it. That is, unless the data you are sending over the Tor network is also going through a VPN, encrypting your data so that when it reaches that exit node, it is less likely it will get snooped on. This is an extremely secure solution, and as you will come to expect, security very frequently requires inconveniencing yourself. In this case, running the Tor network for general browsing is extraordinarily slow, and if you were to combine this with a VPN in extreme cases, you may be crawling for what could be minutes of waiting to load a single web page. This is just the price to pay when using VPNs, the Tor network, or both. So, is the Tor network practical for any everyday situation? Well, I believe for most people, running the Tor network on its own is a poor idea, so it should always be used in conjunction with a VPN. And for the majority of people, a simple VPN will work just fine for secure browsing. However, if you're doing something that needs to remain very secure, you can do a lot worse than to run the Tor network on a VPN. That just about wraps things up here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more quality content, and ring that bell while you're at it. Be sure to comment if you plan on using either a VPN or the Tor network in the future. And you all have a wonderful day.